Hi, Summa Safety and Environment College has made choosing us to be your training provider a very simple choice. No other training option matches our combination of high quality training, ability to train workers quicker, and cost savings. Here's just a few reasons to choose Summa. Our high quality training has been developed to meet all different forms of learning styles by a highly experienced college instructor. All courses are Canadian specific. These courses have been developed and produced by Canadian safety experts to meet all Canadian standards and legislation. All our courses use high-definition video, matched with cutting-edge machine animation demonstrations and examples. This course method is proven to give students a much higher level of learning retention than classroom-style courses. We save you time and money with our ability to train workers quicker. Our online courses are proven to be one of the most efficient training methods available. They offer pinpoint effectiveness with the content and do not waste time that gets lost in a classroom setting. Our courses provide the ability for workers to take the course at home, in the field, or at the office. This not only adds convenience, but also saves on travel time. All our courses can be started, stopped, and picked up again, allowing for maximum flexibility. We save you hundreds and even thousands in cost savings. Not only do our courses cost less than other options, but it is the savings in time where companies really start to save money. Let's take a look at the expense of our typical competitors' classroom certification courses. So you have the cost of the course, which runs at about $170 at the low, up to $260 or more depending on the company and the course being taken. We'll just use $170 for this example. Now that's just the cost of the course. Then there is the expense of the employee's wage, benefits, WCB, CPP, and lost profits to the company. Now most companies would say on average per employee that works out to $45 an hour and up. So we'll go with $45 an hour times 8 hours. That gives you $360 in cost for the employee to be at the course. So you're running at a total right there of $530, and that's at the low. This does not include the transportation costs you may face and the big loss of having a key employee away for the whole day. Not only are Summa courses less expensive per course, but typically take only between 2.5 to 4 hours to complete. You can also have workers take the course at their leisure in the evenings or on weekends, not to interfere with current projects. Down days or weather days are also a great time to catch employees up on certifications, and in minutes, at any time, a person can be taking the course. In the end, Summa courses will save you classroom scheduling headaches along with hundreds per course, and that really adds up. So certification of an operator is made up of two parts. You have the theory and exam portion, which is taken care of by us at Summa Safety. And then you have the practical evaluation of that operator, which is best done by your supervisors or safety personnel on site. Now we make this a very simple process by having a downloadable checklist for every single course we offer that your supervisors can go through and evaluate and check off and make sure that the operator is competent to use that machinery in your setting and your actual use of the machine in your particular industry. Now, other safety companies charge you a premium for practical evaluations of students on a very general obstacle course. Let me explain how a typical course works. You send your employee out, there will be 10 to 15 others in that course, and they take throughout the morning and part of the afternoon the theory and exam portion, and then the last few hours of the day are held out for the practical evaluation of using that machine. The problem with it is each student then has 6 to 10 minutes to do their evaluation. It doesn't make for a very solid evaluation of that operator, and also that evaluation isn't specific to how they use that machine. Now, there are some other things safety companies don't want you to know that are costing you a lot of money. First, liability of your workers' competence is the responsibility of your company, not the training company. So as soon as that employee is back on site, the responsibility of their competence lies on you, your company, and your supervisors. So supervisors and safety personnel are required by occupational health and safety to deem the competence of those under them on a daily basis. So like I mentioned, as soon as that employee is back on site and operating that machine, the supervisor is responsible to make sure that they are competent throughout that day, every single day. So why not have them do the evaluation instead? They'll get a much better evaluation and it'll save you a lot of money. When supervisors perform evaluation sheets, they also become better trained themselves. Now, this is a big advantage as well. You've got your supervisors now going through these sheets on a fairly regular basis, and they know better what to look for every single day in a competent operator. Another thing is practical evaluations in deeming competence is far better done by you, the employer, than a training company. And there's a few reasons why. Not only doing your own practical evaluation approved by CSA and Occupational Health and Safety, but it is actually looked upon higher. Okay, so CSA and Occupational Health and Safety fully approve you doing your own evaluations. And like we mentioned, because it's specific to your use of the machine and your industry, it's actually a better rating and a better evaluation of that employee, and Occupational Health and Safety will hold that higher. Another big advantage is having your people perform practical evaluations is also beneficial for your company's core certification audit score. And everybody knows how important their core audit is. So once you do your practical evaluations in-house and you're having your supervisors do it, that reflects well upon your core certification. Armed with this knowledge, it's clear to see that Summa training is the best choice.